Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we're going to do an unboxing video. For the first time, I have ordered from Magic at Your Door. This is the Magical AF box. What's that stand for? Obviously, magical is Fantasyland. So let's get started right now. Alright, so Magic at Your Door. This is a Disney subscription box. They do monthly subscriptions. They do one-time boxes. This is one of their one-time boxes. This is the biggest one they have. This one is $299.99. This is the first time I've ever gotten a box from them, and we're going to find out if it's worth it. So let's get started. Oh, I wanted to show you. So they have this awesome little image right here, and on the end of the box, they have that. I'll give you a close-up image of that, but it's personalized to you. Very nice touch. Let's take a look. Hopefully I don't cut anything. This thing is crazy. It is bulging. Which actually makes me very nervous about cutting in the middle of it. Okay, this is gonna work. I'm gonna try and cut toward the sides so that I don't go through the middle of it. That didn't work. Please hold. Oh, this way. Oh, all right. You ready for this? I'm ready. All right. This is crazy. Okay, so let me put this over here. So the first thing in here, this is their monthly newsletter. I'll put a copy up on the screen so you can read it. Basically, it has all of the color codes that Disney uses on their products that are smaller. So the ones that don't have price tags on it, the prices are right here, and you can use that to figure out what your value of your box was. They also have updates and stuff on here, but you can take a look at that with the pause button. All right, here we go. Oh boy. Wow. I've seen a couple other people that got this. I love this. This is going straight in our camper. It's an awesome pillow, and it's huge. Now I understand why the box was bulging there. Take a look at that. There is there's no price tag on this, so when I'm done, I will add up all of the tally for all of these and let you know what this box was worth. All right. Next up, oh, this is crazy. All right. This is the Haunted Mansion Throw. This thing is wicked expensive because it is really nice. This is 75 bucks for this blanket. This thing is amazing, and I want to see it because we almost bought this. It's like a tapestry. It's just... So it has the fringes on the end. That is super cool. Really excited I got that. Let's see how big it is. Covered in confetti. Alright. Look at that. Turn around and show you the back of it too. The back of it is the reverse. That's awesome. And there you go. That is awesome. My wife Mary is gonna love that thing. Oh, there's a red box in here. You all know what that means. All right, I'm not gonna go. Okay, we're gonna pass on the red box for right now, and we check it out. Oh, awesome! And it's heavy. There's stuff in here. Lounge fly. Let's check the front zipper. It's just styrofoam in there. And free confetti! Alright. Oh, got the silver pouch. That's gonna be last. Tuck that right there. Oh, we even got the matching wallet. You know what? So I went out, because I hate when you do these unwrapping videos and you hear this all the time, it drives me crazy. So I went out and bought myself a set of snaps, but they're discount snaps. So instead of dealing with all this noise all the time, I can do this much better. So all you gotta do is, see, isn't that nice and quiet? All right, let's take a peek at this. Very nice on the inside. I'll show you a picture up on the screen. It's really cool to have the matching set of those. It's gonna be really nice. And it's gonna look really nice behind me with all the Dooney and Burks. All right, moving on. What else is in here? We've got, oh, it's a Maleficent lanyard. Very cool. That's gonna be awesome. All right, so told you it was discount snaps. This is really cool. It's got the holder for your pass. There's stickers in there too. I'll show you a picture of that and what the actual lanyard looks like. So it's reversible. It's got skulls on one side, and it's got, oh, it's not just Maleficent. It's got villains on the other side. That is really cool. All right. What else is in here? Very nice. Villains pins. That is a really cool set. And it's actually 7 pins. Let's throw that up on the screen for you. That is a very nice set. That's a $30 pin set right there. Very nice. All right. Oh, we got one more thing in here. Oh, I was really hoping for one of these. I want to put one together so bad. This is the Haunted Mansion Metal Earth 3D metal puzzle. This thing is really cool. I'm so excited to do this. I'm doing it tonight. It's gonna go up on the shelf. I've never done one before. People say they're kind of tough, but I'm gonna give it a shot because these things look so cool, especially when they're lit from the top after you're done. Awesome. This is a great box. All right, so that's everything from in there. Set this down here. Whee! All right, so it looks like we got one thing left. And I am not gonna peek at which one this is. All right. This is gonna be good. No peeking. Here we go. Oh! It is. Oh! It's Maleficent. And I haven't even moved her out of the box yet, but I can see it. So this has been an issue with these. A lot of people have opened these up, and her staff with the pumpkin on it is broken. Her wrist is broken, and this one I can already see without opening it is broken. It's off, but little dab of super glue, and it's gonna be good as new because I'm not sending it back. This one's mine. Open her, take her out of there and not break off her horns. This thing is so cool. I don't even care that it's broken. All the ones that were cracked, everybody that fixed them, no issue whatsoever. You can't even tell when they're done. So there she is. So cool. I'm gonna fix it and I will throw up a picture right here. Yeah, it broke in the exact same spot as the rest of them. No biggie. So, Mike, the curator over at Magic at Your Door, I said, sent him a private message, and I've never ordered from them before, but I sent them a private message because he has a Facebook page, so he's easily accessible. And I said, hey, Mary would really like Maleficent. And he said, sorry man, we're all out. Thanks, Mike. And 007. This is awesome. I can't believe you guys got this for me. I am super pumped. All right. Oh, I'm not even done yet. All right, here we go. Last thing. Went right back in the bag. What is that? A Disney jewelry box. That's $50. I'm on it. You want to see it first? Is it cool? Seriously, tell me, because I'm scared. Oh, it's Mickey earrings. Mary's gonna freak out. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, check that out. Holy cow, she's gonna lose it. That is so awesome. Thank you guys very much. So just so you understand how this all works, my wife Mary lets me get these boxes, but all the preferences are hers, so she gets all the stuff. But I love opening this stuff. She's gonna lose it. That is so cool. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you guys so much. So, Magic at Your Door. If you like this stuff, I have a promo code for you. So the promo code is DD10. I'll put that down on the screen. DD10 will get you $10 off your first order for your first subscription box. So the subscriptions are $124.99. That is not what this is. This is their magical, it's their magical as Fantasyland box. So this one's $299.99. So their regular subscription is $124.99, and you can get $10 off with DD10. Thank you guys so much. This is not sponsored by Magic at Your Door at all. I joined their Facebook group, and it is a really good group of people, and they all show kind of the things they get and have conversations about all this stuff. And I really got into it, and I asked if I could throw a promo code on here for him. So please check them out. Look at their Facebook page. It's a lot of fun. Even if you don't subscribe to them, check it out just so you can see what it is. The link to the subscription will be down below, so you can check that out for both the Facebook page and their website. Really check it out, because as you can see by this number right here, boop, that's the total, and I paid $2.99, so it's worth it. And it's free shipping too. It's really cool. Check it out. Till then, have yourselves a great day.